So, balancing the yin and the yang, the masculine, the feminine, the creation and the dissolution of the cosmic forces. On this day workshop on December the 16th, we're gonna be doing a Tandava dance practice to start off the day and really go deep into this, one of the most ancient yogas, over 8,000 years old. A dance that moves between the two cosmic forces, the creation and the dissolution. It's a great dance to release emotions and anger. It is a dance that includes our emotions and our mental and our physical body. So it really unites us as a person. It's a dance that's partially done solo, partially done as a group. And it's very, very strong dance where you can really feel also the imbalances in your own body. It's partially strenuous, you might have some resistance, partially it's very feminine and very flowing. And so after we do this dance practice together, we're gonna move into a tantric massage, giving and receiving. Again, this practice can be done fully clothed, although the workshop is clothing optional based on your personal boundaries. And the tantric massage focuses on allowing the body to relax into the parasympathetic nervous system so you can feel pleasure more in your body, and also re-educate the body to move with pleasure rather than contraction or fear. And what's really beautiful about tantric massage as well is that it's not personal. Like, you may have a person facilitating touch for you, but it is not an engagement with that person. So you really get to dive deep into your own body, into your own sense of well-being, your reconnection with your vital energy, with your eros, and simply feel just absolutely gorgeous and good about yourself again. So I love to see you there, tasteoflove.com.au on December the 16th.